this is Angelica from Secret DIY.
This is Olivia from Secret DIY.
And today we're gonna be making this cute champagne bottle
out of polymer clay. Let's get started.
Roll your green into a bottle shape or a cone. Use a very thin strip of white and then cut it so that it is long enough to fit all the way around the bottle. Wrap it around the bottle and make sure it is mostly leveled. Trim off the excess if you have it. Now for the kawaii face, dot 2 dots using your dotting tool on top of the label. Roll out a thin snake of brown clay and cut tiny parts off of it. Take the tiny parts and roll them into spheres like shown. Now take these 2 black spheres and place them into the dents that we just made into our champagne bottle. Now use the same thin snake that you made earlier and create a mouth shape. Put it onto the champagne bottle just between the eyes. Now using the leftover right, roll into a snake. Use the blade to cut off small sections. Now that you got all your tiny sections, you're going to roll them into tiny little spheres. Your lovely champagne bottle and take the bubbles to put them on the tip of the bottle. Be as random as you want. You can even roll the bottle like shown and get a bunch of bubbles on it. Now take your pink and roll it into a thin snake. Cut off 2 small sections. Roll them into circles and place them on the apples of the cheeks. And stick an eye pin into the champagne bottle if you want to make it a charm. Then all you gotta do is bake and glaze.
Thanks for watching!
I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe.
In the meantime, bye!